This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Mutual funds and stocks talked in this video are purely used as examples. This video is not meant for advisory or recommendation purpose.
Hello everyone, I am Anish from aliceblue. Welcome back to our technical analysis series. In this video series, we will be exploring the various techniques and indicators used in the field of technical analysis. Please watch the entire video and do like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get new video updates. To know more about the basics of technical analysis like types of charts, support and resistance and the candlestick pattern, watch my previous in the technical analysis category. In this video, we are going to explore about the 3 white shoulder and 3 black rose candlestick pattern, its price action and the execution methodology. Come, let's get into this in detail now. Three white shoulder and 3 black rose candlestick patterns are a dual candlestick pattern, which can be used to identify the potential reversal from a downtrend and uptrend. First, there is a 3 white shoulder candlestick pattern. This white shoulder candlestick pattern occurs after a downtrend and is considered a bullish reversal pattern. It consists of 3 consecutive long bullish candles, with each candles closer higher than a previous one. The opening price of a candles are generally within the body of a previous candle. It suggests a shift in market sentiments from bearish to bullish. And the second one is 3 black rose candlestick pattern. This pattern occurs after a uptrend and is considered a bearish reversal pattern. It consists of 3 consecutive long bearish candles, with each candle closes lower than a previous one. The opening prices of these candles are generally within the body of a previous candle. It suggests a shift in market sentiment from bullish to bearish. Now we can see the white shoulder candlestick pattern formation in a downtrend. Now you can see the price is falling from the higher level to lower level, which signifies the market is in downtrend. In a downtrend, we spot a demand zone in a lower level. From the lower level, we can expect the market will change the trend. From that level, we need a proper confirmation to execute a buy side trade. For that confirmation, we can use 3 white shoulder candlestick pattern. Now you can see the 3 white shoulder candlestick formation is over there. If the third candle is broken, there is our entry and our stop loss will be on the swing low with some gap, and the higher level resistance and the higher level supply zone will be our target. Now we can see 3 black rose candlestick formation in the uptrend. Now you can see the price is completely in the uptrend, which means the price is going from a lower level to a higher level. In the higher level, we spot a supply zones over there. From the supply zone, we can expect a price rejection from a higher level to lower level. For that, we need a strong confirmation, which means in a 3 black rose candlestick formation confirmation from that level. You can see there is the black rose candlestick formation. If the low of the third candle is broken, there is our entry. Swing high will be our stop loss, and the bottom level support or in a bottom level demand zone will be our target. Hope you all understand the 3 white shoulder and the 3 black rose candlestick formation. Now let's go to our trading view platform to understand the price action and the execution methodology in our real chart. Come. Welcome back to our trading view platform. Here we can understand the 3 white shoulder and 3 black rose candlestick pattern, its price action and the execution methodology. First we have to understand the 3 white shoulder candlestick pattern. 3 white shoulder candlestick pattern means it's look like this. The 3 strong bullish candle, and the candles are open in between the body range of the previous candle. That is the 3 white shoulder candlestick pattern, which signifies the potential reversal from a downtrend. And the 3 black rose candlestick pattern look like this one. It's a strong bearish candle, and these candles are opening in the between the previous candle's body range. This is how the 3 black rose candlestick pattern look like. So here we can use some market levels to identify the candles. Here you can see it's a clear support in a 15 minutes time frame. It's a clear support in it's a clear resistance in a 15 minutes time frame. Right, it's a clear resistance in a 15 minutes time frame. We can expect the market will get rejection from this 15 minutes time frame because it's previously the market is given a proper trend changing confirmation over there. So we can look into 3 minutes time frame to identify the 3 black rose candlestick pattern. You can see here this candle, this candle, this candle. These 3 candles, you can see it's a strong bearish candle. At that same time, the candle is closes below, opens around the range of the previous candle's body range, and the candle is closes below the previous candle. You can see this candle is closes below the previous candle, and the next candle is also closes below the previous candle. This is how a 3 black rose candlestick look like, and here our execution will be like this, and the swing high will be our stop loss, and the next level support will be our target. This is the first support, this is our target 1, and the second support we can look into 15 minutes time frame. So right, it's a resistance. If the resistance is broken over, that will become a support. You can see this is how we can work with 3 white black rose candlestick pattern. In a 5 minutes time frame, we can see there is a clear demand zone over here, this level. In a clear demand zone over here, this level. So in the demand zone, we can expect a proper reversal from this level. You can see here there is a continuous 3 candles. The first candle, strong bullish candle, and the second candle you can see it's open near the previous candle body level, and the next candle you can see it's also a bullish candle. Here we can take our long side entry over here. From the third candle, we can take our long side entry over here, and the low will be our stop loss. You can see in a 15 minutes time frame, we shift into 15 minutes time frame to identify the higher level resistance, and first resistance, and the second resistance which is here, and the third resistance which is here. So we can spot our target also. This is our first target, and this is our second target, and the third target will be around here. So this is how we can use the 3 white shoulder candlestick pattern in our real chart. Hope you all understand about the 3 white shoulder and the 3 black rose candlestick pattern, its price action and the execution methodology. Again, an important update for you. Our aliceblue is now come up with the community forum. Our forum is designed to be a place where investors, traders, anyone interested in financial market can connect, share insights and learn from each other. We are there to answer all of your queries. Now let's see the sign up process of our community forum. Now we can see the sign up process of our community forum. In a Chrome, you can type community.aliceblueonline.com. Directly that URL take to the page of our community forum. Here you can take sign up, and there is 2 methods. One is you have to create an account, or you can use your Google account to sign up. I'm just using the Google account. Just click the Google account. Here my account is visible. I'm just clicking my account for a sign up. So it's our email ID, username and our name, and we can create an account. Finally, the sign up process is completed. Here there is a community and there is a plus symbol. Just click it. Here you can type your queries, and what type of queries you have you can type, and just create topic means it automatically update in our community forum. Hope you all understand the candlestick pattern, price action and our community forum sign up process. See you in the next video with another interesting technical analysis concept. Until then, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get new video updates. This is Anish signing off. Thank you.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.